everybody, welcome back to my channel. Ignore this look going on here. I did not film it, but I more than likely will redo the look and film it for you guys to see. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up right now. But anywho, this video is going to be a hair review slash a 3-week update. As you guys can see, I still have these spring twists in, but I did switch out my color. So I wanted to actually review the hair and give you guys a 3-week update. I tried my best to film this video like right after I did my hair when it was fresh and looked real neat, but I didn't get a chance to. But you guys saw the tutorial, so I will link that down below in the description box as well as in the card so you guys can check it out. But you pretty much have an idea of how the hair looks. So enough of that jibber jabber, let's go ahead and get into the video. So for the spring twist, I did use the same hair from the same company, which is Beyond Beauty on Amazon. So I'll be sure to leave all their information down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. But of course, per usual, they sent me 3 packs of hair in this big old bag with their name Beyond Beauty in it. So I want to discuss the difference between this hair and the old hair that I had, which was a different color, because I did somewhat see a difference when I had to pull the hair apart to do my hair. So I kind of want to talk about that. But first, let's go ahead and get into the bag of what they provide you when they send you the hair. So once again, it's in this big old bag. And if you choose to get the 3-pack, they will send you 3 packs of hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and show you guys how exactly this hair looks. This color is TB1B/27. So this is kind of a black and honey blonde ombre. And I absolutely love this color. So this is why I decided to go with this color, because I liked this color when I did my passion twist. So this is how the hair look. And they send you 3 packs of this hair. Now, along with the hair, they send you 2 clips to help clip back your hair while you're doing it. And of course, they send this little card basically showing you how to do your hair, how to install the spring twist hair when you're doing your hair. So like I had stated, I did see some differences with this hair compared to the first batch of hair that I got when I first did my twist a couple months ago. Now, what I noticed between this one and the other one, this one shed more than the other one. Like the other one barely started shedding when I would pull the hair apart. But this one, I did see that it was shedding. I feel like maybe it's because even though when it comes to their ombre hair, they do take 2 different colors. So they'll take a black and they'll take a honey blonde, for example, and put them together and whatever. That's how I assume that they get the twist like that. And if that is the case, I did notice some shedding with this hair when I was pulling it apart, more so with the blonde part of the hair, not so much of the black part. For the most part, as you guys can see, it's pretty much twisted in there. The shedding part is not necessarily something that will pull me away. I mean, it's synthetic hair, first of all, but that was just something that I had noticed off the bat. Like, I didn't really notice that the first time I did my hair. It's in a different color. I really didn't notice that. This one I did, so I wanted to make sure that I inform you guys about that. But once again, I stated in the tutorial that I really do like Beyond Beauty's spring twist hair. It's a very easy to use, very easy to install, and I've had a couple people that I know that actually I've gotten so many compliments when I've done my hair like this. People really like these spring twists, so I have recommended Beyond Beauty to them to go ahead and get the hair to do the spring twist. So to be honest with you, there's not much for me to say about Beyond Beauty and their hair. I absolutely love it. I love it. Like I said, it's easy to install in your head, very easy to take apart the way you need to and all that good stuff. So I highly recommend going to Amazon, typing in Beyond Beauty, and ordering you some spring twist hair. I will leave their link down below as well, but I do recommend their hair. It is very good. As you guys can see, I know y'all heard me when I said in the introduction this is going to be a 3-week update. As you can see, the twists for the most part are still intact. So we're going to go ahead and get into the 3-week update. As you can see, my hair is coming through. It's getting real fuzzy and all that stuff. But based off the first time I did that, it's not new to me that, you know, it's been 3 weeks. It doesn't look bad. So it has this old look, but it doesn't look too bad. Like, I can still get away with it for a couple more weeks if I really want to. So for the most part, the twists are still intact. They're just looking a little fuzzy, and in some areas my hair is peeking through because my hair is transitioning. You guys know the deal with my hair, so I will be starting over with my natural hair journey. But for aside from that, it is peeking through the twists. Not too bad, actually, compared to the last 2 times when I did these. It's not really peeking through like it did before, so that's good. But yeah, so here is my 3-week update with this hair. Now, I do want to say that compared to the first 2 times I did my hair like this time I did more individuals. I wrote it down, like the number. I did about 19 in the back. And of course, you guys know I always part it like this so I can do half up, half down, and able to put my hair all up in one ponytail. But I did more up here, and I really do like that because it made the style more fuller than the first time I did it. So I really do like it. I like a full hairstyle. Even though I'm in Texas, it's summertime now and it's hot, but I like for my hairstyle to look full. I don't want it to be looking thin or like, you know, it's just not enough hair. So I did like the fact that I decided to do more individuals in the front. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the review and for the 3-week update. I do want to actually wash my hair with these twists in. I know as soon as I wash it, it's gonna look ridiculous probably, but more than likely I will go ahead and film me washing it so you guys can actually see that you can wash your hair with these twists, but exactly how to wash it and all that stuff. So yeah, new growth is itching, okay, as you guys can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I will insert a video right after I finish my hair so you guys can see the freshness, as well as a picture so you guys can see the freshness of the hair when I did it 3 weeks ago. So I will insert that probably towards the end of the video so you guys can see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Be on the lookout for a chit chat, get ready with me video so you guys can know where exactly I've been, what's going on in my life and all that stuff, because I did pretty much just disappear. So be on the lookout for that video very, very soon. But anywho, that's enough for this video. If you have any questions or concerns, make sure you guys head down to the comment section and leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to get back with you guys and try my best to answer any questions that you guys might have. So again, let me know if you want to see this look. I will go ahead and film it for you guys, but just, you gotta let me know. Okay, I'm sure y'all want to see it, but you gotta let me know. But anywho, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you guys will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. So I did want to insert this video so you guys can really see the 3-week update of my hair a little bit closer compared to the original video. So here is exactly how this 3-week update looks. So like I said, my hair is peeking through a little bit. Not too much, and it's not necessarily the straight part of my hair, so that's good. But for the most part, like I said, it still looks decent to me. I haven't gotten to that point where I feel like I need to redo it and it's just a big old mess, so that's good. But But yeah, this is how it's looking. So like I said, not too bad, but I just wanted to go ahead and insert this clip in there so you guys can really see how my hair is looking. So here we are.